Hello there. So you're looking into engineering colleges, and Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan College of Engineering and Technology in Mamallapuram is on your radar. Great. This is the essential explainer you'll need. Just so you know, the TNEA Code is 1322. All right, let's dive right in and see what makes this college tick.
The very first thing that jumps out, and it's a big one, is this grade, A+. Now, that A+ grade comes from NAAC, the official body in India that checks the quality of colleges. And listen to this, it's valid all the way until December 2028. For you as a student or a parent, that's a huge plus. It signals long-term quality and stability for the entire time you'll be studying there.
So, let's get down to the basics. The college was established back in 2001, and it's a private, self-financing institution. A really key point here is its autonomous status. This means they have the flexibility to keep their syllabus modern and updated while still being affiliated with any university. For admissions, 65% of the seats are filled through TNEA counseling.
Okay, beyond the overall college grade, it's super important to look at the quality of the specific engineering departments, and that's where accreditations come in. You see, while NAAC looks at the whole institution, the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, zooms in on individual engineering programs. This is a crucial detail when you're picking your branch, and at this college, 3 of their UG programs have earned this NBA quality stamp.
And which ones are they? Well, we have Aeronautical Engineering, Information Technology, and Mechanical Engineering. All 3 of these have their NBA accreditation valid right up to June 2026. This gives you an extra layer of confidence that these specific departments meet some very high national standards. So what can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the full menu of engineering programs they offer.
Across all their branches, the college has a total of 1,110 undergraduate engineering seats up for grabs. Now let's see how those seats are split up.
One thing that really stands out is the focus on modern, in-demand fields. I mean, they've got dedicated programs in AI and data science, AI and machine learning, and cybersecurity. Plus, they offer specialized streams like biomedical, agriculture, and even food technology, which is pretty cool. And here's the complete list of all 13 UG engineering programs. You can see there's a massive emphasis on computer-related fields, right? The largest intakes are in computer science, followed by AI and data science, and then information technology. Feel free to pause here and go through the full list with all the TNEA codes and seat counts.
All right, now for the big question, the one every parent and student is thinking about. What about placements and career opportunities after you graduate?
The number that the college has reported in its official data submission for TNEA is 92%.
Now, it's really important for us to be transparent here. This 92% figure is self-reported by the college. It's the data they've submitted for TNEA, and it hasn't been independently verified by a third party, which is pretty standard for this kind of data.
Let's switch gears and talk about the practical stuff, the day-to-day campus life. This is especially important if you're planning to move from another town. Let's check out the hostel and transport facilities.
So, the college has all the essentials covered. There are separate permanent hostels for both boys and girls. The mess serves both veg and non-veg foods, so you have options there. They also have a college transport system, and for connectivity, the nearest major railway station is Chengalpattu, which is about 35 kilometers away.
What about financial aid? Let's have a quick look at the scholarship options that might be available for students who are eligible.
Students might be able to get help through various government scholarship schemes. We're talking about things like the First Graduate Scholarship, tuition fee waivers for SC/ST students, scholarships for BC, MBC, and DNC communities, and even central government schemes for minority and OBC students. Of course, you'll need to check your eligibility for these directly with the college's admission office.
Just to be clear, all the information we've shared in this explainer is based on what's available on the college's official website and government portals as of March 2026.
So, let's sum it up. The Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan College of Engineering and Technology puts forward a really strong profile, doesn't it? That top-tier NAAC A+ grade is a major highlight, along with those key NBA-accredited programs. But the real question is this the right fit for you and your goals? To figure that out, you need to compare it with other options. So go ahead and explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com. It's your true source for making these big decisions from 12th to engineering.